Hello students, today we are going to see an introductory concept of physics, that is scalar and vector quantities. So first of all we will see what are physical quantities. The physical quantities which means that which can be quantified or measured and calculated. So physical quantities have some numerical magnitude and unit as well. Suppose I am measuring the mass of any object. So that mass of the object is measurable and it can be calculated. So that mass is nothing but the example of physical quantity. There are many examples of physical quantities: mass, length, velocity, speed, momentum, force, etc. So examples of physical quantities, as I earlier said: length, mass, time, force, speed, velocity, volume, etc. Suppose this is the object and it is the length. If this the length is the quantity which can be measurable, so length is nothing but the physical quantity, as well as the volume. Suppose the car is moving with a certain velocity and that velocity is measurable and can be calculated, so the velocity is also a physical quantity. Basically, physical quantities are of two types and can be categorized into two types: scalar quantities and vector quantities. So what are scalar quantities? Scalar quantities are nothing but the quantities which having a magnitude as but no direction. So scalar quantities have magnitude but no directions. So they are also known as scalars or scalar quantities. So some examples of scalar quantities are mass, volume, temperature, work, heat, distance, and speed, etc. So second one is vector quantities, and the vector quantities have magnitude as well as direction. So the quantities or the physical quantity which have magnitudes as well as directions are known as vectors or vector quantities. And the examples of vector quantities are velocity, acceleration, force, displacement, momentum. Okay, all these quantities, all these examples have direction or they are direction specific. So vector quantities can be represented by a vector. Vector is nothing but an arrow whose direction gives the direction of the vector. So vector A, suppose A is the particular letter and vector A symbolically written as this type: vector A or bar A, that is vector A. And the magnitude of vector, if I take the magnitude of vector, that is always positive, and the scalar, it is scalar quantity. If I take the magnitude of vector quantity, it will be scalar. Thank you.